Kinabukasan, kinausap niya si Princess tungkol sa isa pang bagay na bumabagabag sa kanya.
I just found out. Who were you talking about? Sa 18th birthday mo. I hope he goes home. Diba? And dances you. Why couldn't you tell me?
Bro, what do you mean? I already told you that.
No.
Kasi sabi ko, diba? Okay, so why are you bringing it up now?
Because I just found out.
Where?
Basta. Just tell me, why couldn't you tell me?
You never ask, and I don't think that I have to tell you that.
Put yourself in my shoes. At that time, how would you feel?
Of course, I wouldn't feel okay.
Why couldn't you tell me?
I don't know, I just don't want to tell you. Like you. Diba? You can't tell me what yung ibang problems mo. I also can't tell you some of my personal. I hope you respect that. I can't tell you everything.
Ilang sandali pa, si Fred nagbukas sa mga kaibigang sina Miguel at Clifford at sa malapit kay Lela na si Ashley.
And you know that she likes you too. Pero she's more interested in talking about another guy. Diba? Instead of you. When I asked her earlier na, why did you have to lie to me? Sabi niya lang sa akin, I guess I just didn't want to say it to you.
What? Why?
And I was like, there's nothing wrong about it.
Why not tell you? So there's no point in why.
Why, yun nga, why lie?
I think, sabi niya, I mean, she told you daw na she's willing to tell you about that outside world because hindi
Yeah.
pwede here.
Tinanong ko lang siya kung anong label nila. Diba?
Wala.
I was like,
Kasi yun
pwede
din
ba ako maganda?
yun din yung mahirap eh.
Kaya,
Hindi mo alam if may karapatan kang magselos.
And so parang sabi lang niya na gusto niya nga outside
yeah.
i-pursue. Tapos parang she really wants to focus here. Like here. What's in here. At the same time, ako din nahirapan para sa inyo pareho. Because like you guys like each other and ang hirap naman na i-stop like completely din yun.
Yeah.
Right now, give each other time ka para sa sarili. Because when they're both like